Good morning, my dear students. Our today's topic is the law of variable proportions. The law of variable proportions states that when total output or production of a commodity is increased by adding more and more units of a variable factor, while the other factors are held constant, the increasing total product after some point become smaller and smaller. The reason is, as we hold one factor input fixed and keep increasing the other, the factor proportion changes. Initially, these proportions become more and more suitable for the production and marginal product rises. But after a certain level of employment, the production process becomes too crowded with the variable input and factor proportions become less and less suitable for the production and marginal product falls. Assumptions of the law. One factor input is variable, all other factors are fixed. State of technology remains the same. All units of variable factor, that is labor, are homogeneous. It is a short period production function. The law of variable proportions can be explained with the help of following table and diagram. This is the table showing the law of variable proportions. In the first stage of production, marginal product and total product increases. Total product increases at an increasing rate. In the second stage of production, the stage of diminishing returns, marginal product falls positively and becomes zero. And the total product increasing at a diminishing rate. The third stage of production is the stage of negative returns, marginal product becomes negative and total product falls. This is the diagram showing the law of variable proportions. Stage 1, stage of increasing returns. When total product increases at increasing rate, marginal product rises. In this stage, total product curve is increasing at an increasing rate. Marginal product curve rises and reaches a maximum. The first phase is up to point N in the diagram. Point N in the diagram. Till that point, the TP curve is convex. Reasons for increasing returns. Better utilization of resources. Better utilization of fixed factor. When increased quantity of variable factor is combined with fixed factor, then fixed factor is better utilized and marginal product rises. Efficient utilization of variable factor. When variable factor is increased and combined with the fixed factor, the variable factor is utilized in a more efficient manner as there is division of labor. Better coordination between factors. Because of better utilization of fixed factor and efficient utilization of variable factor, there is better coordination between the fixed and variable factor. So, total product increases at increasing rate, implying the benefits of division of labor. A rational producer will not operate in this stage because the producer can always expand stage 1. The second stage, stage of diminishing returns. It ranges from the point where marginal product curve is maximum to the point where marginal product curve is 0. The second phase starts after point N and ends at point R. The diagram starts from point N and ends at point R. When total product increases at diminishing rate, marginal product falls positively. When total product is maximum and constant, marginal product becomes 0. Reasons for diminishing returns. Overutilization of fixed factors. After optimum utilization of fixed factor, If more units of variable factor are added, the fixed factor gets overutilized and will bring less than proportionate returns, as the pressure is now being felt on the fixed factor with increase in employment of variable factor. Imperfect substitution of factors. More and more of one factor cannot be used in place of others, as factors are imperfect substitutes. Beyond a limit, it is not possible to substitute factor of production. Hence, marginal product falls. Poor coordination. Increased application of the variable factor with a fixed factor beyond a point crosses the ideal factor ratio. If the ideal combination is disturbed, marginal product will fall. The rational producer will always try to operate in the second phase because in this stage marginal product remains positive. Stage 3. Stage of negative returns. When total product decreases, marginal product becomes negative. It covers the entire range over which marginal product curve is negative. A rational producer will not operate in this stage because it is an inefficient and non-economic range. Because fixity of fixed factor. As quantity of fixed factor cannot change in short run, there is excessive use of fixed factors, and since the fixed factor is indivisible, it cannot absorb the increasing quantity of variable factor. In other words, the quantity of variable factor becomes very large in relation to quantity of fixed factor. Overcrowding of variable factor. With further increase in quantity of variable factor, the production process becomes too crowded. This reduces the efficiency of variable factor. Defective factor ratio. With fixity of fixed factor and overcrowding of variable factor, factor proportions become less and less suitable for the production and marginal product becomes negative. That's about the law of variable proportions. Thank you.